Anywhere you go, anything you do, any cue at all, it's all back to you. Tell me, what did I get myself into? Was there a surprise that I needed you? Every time I think about it, so distracted, I can't lie, don't know what to do. All the time I'm giving something, taking nothing. Why should I leave it up to you? Leave it up to you. 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 Leave it up to you.
I don't remember any of that. I woke up about 2 or 3 days later thinking, what in the world did I do to get here? I was supposed to go surfing. So